Hello everyone, today we're going to make street style fried chicken. This recipe is very quick to make and it's so tasty that you'll want to make this again and again. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I've taken 1 kilo of chicken and cut into pieces. To it I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1/8 teaspoon of red food color, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can add as per your spice preference. 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi. Make sure your yogurt does not have too much water in it. Adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Adding 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add as desired. Mix everything. Beating 1 egg and adding to this. Adding 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix everything together. Heat oil and keep the gas on medium flame. Do not touch the chicken for the first 3 minutes as we do not want the coating to come off. Flip it once. Now we are going to cover the pot with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. One thing to note is that don't fill your pot with too much oil because when you close the lid, you don't want the oil to spill out. The reason why I'm covering is because you want the chicken to get cooked nicely from inside without getting the outer side burnt. Note, I kept the stove on medium heat throughout the frying process. After 10 minutes, my chicken is nicely cooked and it's very crispy. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.